morning, my beautiful people. Beautiful people, yard and abroad. Good morning. You know what I mean? Good afternoon, good night. To all my beautiful vloggers, my beautiful subscribers, beautiful viewers, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And this morning, my people, I just feel like I want to do a little tour. I want a little place. A place I name a whole lot of people, and we out here. It's me and my baby mother people. So, people active right now. She did go and reason with her friend. Yeah, and they here people, so I'm going to tour you guys out here right now. So stay tuned for that one of my people. Yeah man, one love. People just keep like up the video right away people. Yeah man, that tour is going to be nice. It's going to be epic people. So yeah man, stay tuned for that one of my people. We out here in the busy street. Yeah my beautiful people. You have little vendors out here, so people are going to sell little hockey and them things, them people. Yeah man, hockey and breadfruit and banana people. You know what them country like settings, the jackfruit same way. Yeah man, so you know business people, them outside people. Yeah man, I go and do the right thing, you know. So you know that survives. Yeah man. Out here my people. Out here, you know.
Blood clot, right? You know, mash up your body and mash up your trade.
Fully active people. The roasters there, so people. Yeah, man. Business people, remote people. So you know, a early part of the year, these people. Business and up yet. Good old avocado, the people. Yeah, man. Blessings, mommy. Yeah, my people. Active, you know. Yeah, my people have foul chuck that, you know. Yeah, man, then go a foul farm, go get the chicken them. You see me and I carry them, go feed them place, go kill them, you know, people. So that's our vibes.
No, they got boilers.
They no boilers, them go kill them. Yeah, people, we out here and we active, you know. So we touring the place, my people. Normal procedure, people. Touring the place, you know. Yeah, man. Out here, people. Whole have a tour. Yeah, man. Little fruits, man. They overcast this, people. Yeah, man. Nice little tour, people. Yeah, man. Normal procedure, people. Yeah, man. Whole heap a nice place. And thing, you know. You know, we active out here. Active people. We'll have a tour, so we just go and tour the street, them people. Show them a little of what go on in the place. Yeah, man. You know, it's a vibe, my people.
Yeah, me the right near that up.
Continue like the channel, no people. Don't see son no be a bush me have one in, you know, me I can't no show no all about my place. Yeah man. But people, we active out here people. We will have a tour, you know. Yeah man. So we out here. Do right thing, you know. Out here my people. Busy streets people. Yeah man, busy street people. Active my people, active. Active. Yeah man, say you know this is a nice tour my people. Oi. Oi. Who Who tell us that I come on here, so? Right now, I'm there across some NCB in whole Harbour. Right now, my people. Yeah, man, there is the clock. Yeah, man. Don't know. Original town. Anywhere you're there and see a clock like that, yeah, man, you know, original town people. So, yeah, man, there's the NCB over there. You know what I mean? And across from the NCB people, there's a paymaster right here, people. Yeah, man, so out here, people, I go cross over to the clock. Yeah, man, so people, stay tuned for that one. Cross the street right now, you know what I mean? Come now. Go cross the street, people, busy street, you know. Can't too ramp with the street, you know. So we're out here. I feel move fast. Yeah, my people. Out here, my people, active. Yeah, man, there's the police station, people. Yeah, man, right now town there, people. Soon make you get a closer look. But you know, I have a baby on the street busy, so I have to be careful how I walk across. Yeah, man. But there's the police station, there's the NCB there. Police station just right across the street away from the NCB people. Yeah, man, you have a nice supermarket right here, people. Yeah, man, look like it always busy right now the town here. Yeah, man, so you know it's a great vibes, people. Yeah, man, great view in a whole Harbour town, people. Yeah, man, busy and nice, you know. Beautiful coloring on the building them and all of that, people. Yeah, man, busy street. Yeah, my people. Normal out here. Take a nice view, my people, and see what I go on. Yeah, man. So you know the thing of people. There's the clock again, people. Yeah, man. The right eye clock, people. Yeah, man. You know the thing of people. Out here. Out here, I go and do the right thing, people. There's a stoplight there. There's another stoplight across the street there. There's one there. And there's one, people. Yeah, man. So you know the thing of my people. We out here. Yeah, man, and we active, you know. And I go and do the right thing, my people. Yeah, man, so stay true, my people. As me take you through the whole Harbour. And look on them settings, my people. Just like you see them kind of natural looking. You see me? Like see them natural stuff, my people. Yeah, man, them natural brick looking thing there. Yeah, man, I always love to see. Oh, here is the wholesale seafood place, people. Yeah, man. So you know that's a vibe, my people. Yeah, man. Out here, my people. Wholesale at over there, so said speed. Yeah, man. Whole Harbour tour, my people. It can't get no better than this. You see me? There's a post office right there, my people. So you know a whole Harbour post office that, you see me? Yeah, man. So we out here, my people. I try to do the right thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. As I said before, we open a full joy that tour here, my people. Yeah, man. Don't know. Out here, I try to do the best to please you guys. So, yeah, man, we active, man. And I try to do the right thing, my people. We'll have a post office that over there, so my people. Yeah, man. So, you know, we just go and do it right. Do the right thing. Yeah, man. So, we out here, my people. Yeah, man, we out here, my people. K&G and S. Trading hardware, yeah, man, and plumbing, so you don't know, people. Yeah, man, we out here, my people, and we are trying to do the right thing, so yeah, man, official thing, my people, man. Just go and like up the channel, my people, and do the right thing. Yeah, man. As I can see, we active. See, man, they start selling little clothes and them things, so yeah, man, it's a great vibe, my people, and we're there, and we are alright. Yeah, man, so people, continue to do the right thing and support the channel, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, we're active out here, you know, people are going to do the right thing, you see me? Yeah, man, so tour me a tour. The bus park, people. You're going to see what go on at the bus park, you see me? Yeah, man. We're out here, people. Out here, I'm not even see no juice here, sell no juice. Be a shop. But we out here. Yeah, man, the place just a take time load up. All midday find to see how them place are full up of people. So, you know active crew, man. And they are doing the right thing with people. Yeah, man, so we out here, you know. See, somebody who selling water and juice. I was selling water and juice. I was selling water.
Yes, water. Punish down the one.
5 bills now.
Where you want me that?
Back to water with ice.
One punish down.
Nah, none with ice now.
Yeah, man.
I'm one juice.
Hey, kid! Water and juice, water and juice. Give me one. Hey, kid!
People don't know get to want no, so there are people active out there, you know. Whole have a tour people. Yeah, my people, whole have a tour. Yeah, man. Whole heap of chicken feeding and pig feeding pan shop there. Whole ball game go out the people. Active out there in the street. Yeah, man. You know the ball game go already. Yeah, my people active, you know. Yeah, my people backside KFC people. Yeah, man, I pass the KFC, so people all have a KFC, you know. Yeah, man, you know the ball game, my people. Yeah, active with people. Active out here, you know. Nice, pretty Jamaica color they put up there, some people. Yeah, man, normal procedure out here, people. Yeah, man. They are doing the right thing with people. Yeah, man. We'll have a tour. Yeah. You know the ball game guy, the people. People them out now, I go do them little selling and thing. We so what's up there and thing on this ourselves. Active, you know, people. Man, we out here. Out here, my people.
One more.
That me here, yeah.
Punish down, yeah, one. Bro. One punish down.
Active people. How are you normally go? You get bus down there? A town bus, Yeah, my people active out here. I go and tour the bus park now, people. Tour the bus park, you know.
They can't take a bigger seat. One strong toe.
Yeah, my people, we active, you know. Active, my people. Dear mother gone now, boss there.
Yeah?
Take on a tour on over juicy beef now, my people. Nah, man. Yeah, man, so that's a vibe, my people. Yeah, man, all have a tour, my people. Yeah, man. No, it's a vibes out here, people. It's a big mall or something here. It's a big plaza, these people. Yeah, man, so you know, official touring people. Now I go inside the building because I left my baby mother in one van. Go in Kingston, so just a tour the place, people, make you guys see what's going on. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, no people. And we out here I try to do the right thing, people. As you can see, it's a wholesale and seafood thing the nearby same with people, so I'm not quite sure which direction it there. But people, we out here and me I try to vlog as much as we can vlog to share with you guys. Yeah, man, so just continue like up the channel, people. Leave a comment, my people. I know what you think, people. Yeah, man. All over with the people. Yeah, my beautiful people. I want to hope you enjoy our full joy that you could tour and all over to the people. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I just want to continue to do the right thing, people. Continue to share the channel. Continue to like up the channel, people. Yeah, people. And just continue to do the right thing, man. As me out here do the right thing. Make sure you leave a comment, you know, people. Yeah, man, so I can know what you think about this vlog. So, people, yeah, man, continue to do the right thing, people. And I'm out.